Hello everyone, this is Boris from Shuowei company. I'm now in my friend Scott's workshop in South Louisiana. And hi Scott.
Thank y'all for
Hey.
coming in. I'm Scott. I own Cajun Connection Woodworks, and I've had this kiln for about 3 years, and we set it up under COVID conditions. No one was here, so we did it through WhatsApp. And it was easy enough to set up without having anyone here to help other than customer support, the support of Boris and the engineering group, Carlos, and we were able to get it up and running with no problems. It's one of the only things I've ever bought that actually does everything that they said it can do. So I'm very satisfied with it. This is a 16 foot, about 48 inch wide, about 48 high, high frequency vacuum kiln, and it's efficient too. It really is. It's 3-phase power, and surprisingly enough, you can run it for 5 days, 10 days, whatever the moisture content of your wood is, without having a big, huge power bill. So I'm very impressed with that part of it as well. The touchscreen display, easy to work. Basically, you turn it on, make a few adjustments, and walk away from it. Check it once every 8 to 12 hours, and that is it. Make your adjustments throughout your drying cycle. Towards the end of the drying cycle, when it says that the wood's ready to come out, it's ready to come out. Moisture meter tested, 5%, 8%, 10%. Here in Louisiana, we shoot for 10% moisture, 8% is fine, 12% is okay here in Louisiana because it's moist all the time. I have no complaints or problems with the purchase of this kiln at all. It's been great.
All right, thank you Scott.
With you. We can see some examples of what I have dried in this kiln and made into projects and things. So follow me real quick.
So all of these stuffs are dried by the HF Kiln.
All of these things in here have been dried by the HF kiln, is correct. This piece is an ancient piece of Cypress. Put it in the kiln for 10 days at 60% moisture. Took it out, I was probably at 8% to 11% moisture just within 10 days. It's cut by an axe, and it's
pretty wide.
It's very wide. Rare woods are something that you really kind of don't want to make a mistake on. I have all the confidence in the world with this kiln at this point that it's not a risk. I would dry it in this kiln and not hesitate with cracking the wood, warping the wood, or bowing it, or making it in such a way to where you can't use it or ruin a very expensive piece of wood. So, very good confidence level with it. All of the flooring, the floors, all black walnut, dried in this kiln. My cutting boards were my little end cuts that I put into the kiln to make up if I have 10 foot, 12 foot pieces and I don't have enough to make that full run of 16 feet, I'll take my cutoffs and dry those as well and make these cutting boards out of my cutoff ends. And then that really helps. It's whatever you can put in it, whatever you need, whatever you think you can use, depending on your talent level, you can do that. The walls are maple, spalted maple, cherry, black walnut trim, sinker cypress. All of this was dried in our high frequency vacuum kiln, and I have not had any problems with it. I mean, none. So there, a few learning curves to it, but outside of that, no, it's been great. It has been great. Thank you so much for coming in. Y'all didn't have to come down here, you did anyway, and I appreciate it.
Thank you, Scott. Thank you for your experience, and really thank you for patience and hard work. Thank you.
Thank you.